This is a 85 735 BMW E23. This is the fourth one I've had over the last 25 years. Sold the previous three. I've enjoyed them, but kind of missed having one of these around. So I started asking around for some car like this that would be really nice shape. Talked to a dealer in Texas who deals in these beautiful old cars. He said, forget about it. He says they're shipping these to Saudi Arabia, all out of the country. You're going to have to build it up yourself. So this is it. This is a year and a half, 2 years later, and I've spent tons of time on this. The rocker panels on this are from a 3 Series that I found and altered them to fit this, which I think makes a nice look. On the front, there's a BBS front spoiler, which I found in Australia. Very rare. It's hard to find them. Very pricey, but got it. The kidneys there in front are brand new. So that front spoiler, I think, makes the car really look substantial in the front. Based on these panels, you can see that we've spent a lot of time working these, block sanding and preparing for the new paint. As you come around to the back here, you can see the bumper is really nice. We have a website called oxidizedaluminum.com. There's a kit on there that allows you to strip off the anodizing on these bumpers when they're really far gone and finish them like this. Pretty cheap, and doesn't take that long to do. You get a nice result. The bottom rear spoiler is a E38 2007 40i, and altered it to fit. And I think makes the back look really nice too. Makes the rear very substantial looking also. A lot of fitting around these bellows, the rubber bellows parts. But I think it was worth the effort. It's a really very nice car, and if you look at this in depth, you can see that this really, I think, adds a lot to the car. These are Borbet wheels with Michelin tires. Changed all the rubber seals around the windows so that when you drive in the car, it's very quiet, very smooth. This is a Dynon suspension car, and it's amazing how well it handles, and it drives smoothly and quietly. This is the interior. This has been redone a little bit. Not that the leather was bad. Needed to spruce up the color. The rear curtain was not on this particular model. My previous ones did have that. I found a setup on eBay and I put it in. It worked. The dashboard is all brand new from Germany. The wood has all been refinished. This particular one is a 5-speed, which is a rare car. It's one of the reasons I bought it, but very well kept. Look at this seat, it's beautiful. All the leather in here is perfect. So let's take it for a little drive. It's a quick ride here out the driveway. It's a very nice car. It's a small kind of a limo, that it handles like a kind of a sports car. It's very tight and smooth. I'm not showing the 5th gear here, but believe me, it goes into 5, which is great. On the highway, it's great. You get great mileage. See the nice smooth panels. It really is worth doing all that body work, which is not extensive in this case. There's just a lot of block sanding and nitpicking. And that's it. Back home, and that's it for this one. This is what it looked like as we started to do the work on it. Had to come apart. There's the new dash from Germany. They only had about 70 of them left, which is amazing after all these years. But anyway, picked one up and major surgery to put it in. While we were at it, we put the heater core was changed, all the air was rebuilt, and we'll have videos on that later.